appreciate the effort.
Yeah. But you know, that song is actually a reminder for all of you guys to never quit on your dreams. So, never quit on your goals in life. Just like Stella, right?
What?
Basically, your goal is to have to be healthy and to have a very good body. And yeah, but he never quit. Earlier, he was outside the hotel. He went running. See the